Hi everyone, this is a dress of mine. Actually, I need a refresh for this dress as well. I'm thinking of making a skirt out of it rather than throwing off. So this is a long shift dress. It's draped nice. Actually, it's a dress from my own brand. I use it for long, so now I'm going to use as a skirt. It will be a long and of course front open skirt. So I'm going to cut from here and going to attach about 1.5 inch belt, so hopefully it will stay nicely. Of course it has 2 pockets as usual, so keep watching. So I left 1 inch to leave the gap for sewing, and this is I marked from armhole 3. It's about 3.5 inch. I just guessed, of course. And now what I'm going to do is fold in 2. Cut it off. So here's the skirt part. And this is the upper part. Now what I'm going to do is we'll be cutting let's check what is the height I can take fully. About 3, so I'll be marking all 3. Of course I will have to move the button or replace it. Straight. So here's the finished bit, the waist part, and what I'm going to do is insert the elastic. Here it is. So this is the side seam, and up to here I'm going to take about this much, of course. It's like a quarter of the length, not exactly, it doesn't have to be exact amount. And now I'm going to insert this one because it has to close to my waist. Obviously this is since it is a dress, and of course it in another way, I could have made the darts on this one, but I just wanted to have something relaxed, not very tight. So I thought of using something like this inside this one. So here it is. I attached the elastic at the back. I'll show you in a bit how it's on my figure. And now going to attach this button this side. Of course, it turn up to the buttonhole, turn up to other side of the waistband. I have to make a new buttonhole. So once it's done, everything is done. So here we go, the final bit, and this is the buttonhole I have attached, and these are the front opening, and this is sides. So let's see how it looks on me. So here it is, the skirt. It's a long skirt. As I said, it has more space because I have used elastic at the back. I'm happy with it, and of course I had 2 pockets. I thought of finish off like closing up the pockets at sides. So yeah, this is it, and I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy making this. See you again. Bye. Thanks for watching.